Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna learn about plant structures and reproduction in flowers. Plant parts. There are four main parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, and flower or petal. The root. The root serves several purposes. Roots absorb water in the soil. Roots serve as support base for the plant so that it will not topple over. And roots can even store extra food for the plant. The stem. The stem supports the plant beyond the root. Stems also transport water and nutrients to the other parts of the plant, like a straw. The leaf. Leaf of the plant is where the food is made. During a process called photosynthesis, the leaf uses carbon dioxide and sunlight to create sugar food for the plant. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis in the leaf also creates oxygen. During photosynthesis, the chlorophyll in the leaves of the plant use up carbon dioxide, and while they create sugar for the plant, they also create oxygen. The reproduction in flowering plants. Flowers are the part of the plant where seeds are made. Seeds are what make new plants grow. Reproduction in flowering plants. There is a male and a female plant in part of every flower. The stamen is a male part and the pistil is a female part. Now, the stamen and the pistil are two main reproductive parts of the flower. Here's a diagram of the stamen. The tip of the anther is where the pollen is made. The pistil. Here's a diagram of the pistil which grows up from the ovary. The ovary produces egg cells called ovules. Full diagram. Of course, not all parts of the plant's flower have the reproductive functions like petal, sepal, and receptacle. Functions. Even though the petal, sepal, and receptacle don't have reproductive purposes, they are still important functioning parts of the flower. Petal protects the reproductive parts and attract insects. Sepal protects the plant and helps to hold moisture, and receptacle as a stem and a base of the flower. The pollen. A pollen is a fine dust powder that contains the male reproductive cells of seed-bearing plants. As this bee collects pollen from the stamen, the female organs in the pistil are fertilized by the pollen. Pollination. Pollination is the transfer of the pollen from the stamen to the pistil in a flower. Pollination. The process of pollination can happen from wind, insects, birds, and other animals transferring the pollen from stamen to the pistil. Although bees are the insects who are most famous for pollination, many other insects also help to pollinate plants. Without insects doing this very important job, the world would look much different. Pollination. Without pollination, flowers could not survive or reproduce. Birds also transfer pollen for the flowers and are rewarded with tasty nectar. Fertilization. Fertilization is the process by which the female reproductive cell is united with the male reproductive cell. In the ovary is the fertilization point. After the fertilization point occurs, reproduction is already underway and a new seed and more plants can be created. This is a flower of the hibiscus plant. You can easily see the reproductive parts of the flower with hibiscus. Summarizer. In a paragraph format, explain how flowering plants can reproduce in the comment section below. And don't forget to use these terms such as stamen, anther, filament, pollen, epistle, style, stigma, ovary, egg pollination, and fertilization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Huda Science Learning channel.